we search MongoDB. Try free. MongoDB locally. MongoDB community server for Windows. MSI. Download. Show in folder. Double click. Next. Accept. Next. Complete. Next. Compass for graphic user interface. Next. Install. Finish. Compass. Show after. Set up an environment. Copy this URL. Environment. Path. Editing. New. Paste. OK. OK. Command MongoDB. See here, we need to create a data folder. C drive. DB. We come again. MongoDB. Yes, here. Minimize. Open another CMD. This time use Mongo. Show DBS. Finish. First visit MongoDB official website. Docs. Servers. Introduction. Getting started. We use these 5-step examples. CMD open MongoDB. MongoDB. Open another CMD to use MongoDB. Mongo. See, DB refers to your current database. Create a new database. Enter. DB again. Now switch to the new database examples. Step 2. Show DBS. I can't find the examples database. This database is empty. You have to insert the tables. In MongoDB, table means collection. This command is insert the collections. Copy. Enter. Forgot true. That means successful insert the collections. ID here is automatically given by MongoDB. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. We check again. Show DBS. Examples database here. Step 3. This command is find collections in database. If in the end add this property, that means beautiful. Beautiful. Next step, this other command you can try by yourself. Here I only try one. Copy, find with D. Oh, need a pretty. Oh, with D. Step 5. Step 5, same step 4. Just more practice. Now I'm going to show how to delete this database examples. db drop database. Okay, show dbs examples deleted.